Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the world of drones, specifically the much-anticipated DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3, while innovative with its dual primary camera system, has faced significant criticism from drone enthusiasts. Many have been eagerly awaiting the rumored Air 3 SE, promising a substantial upgrade with a 1-inch sensor. But what exactly went wrong with the Air 3? And can the Air 3S truly redeem DJI's reputation? Let's break it down. Recall the DJI Air 2S? A significant leap from its predecessor. It boasted an improved sensor, extended range, and longer flight times. The Air 3, on the other hand, while offering advancements, took a surprising step backward in terms of camera quality. Both lenses on the Air 3 share a 1/1.3-inch sensor, identical to the Mini 3 Pro. The 24mm wide-angle lens is even inferior to the Air 2S. Image quality also suffers due to the smaller sensor, resulting in increased noise compared to the Air 2S's 20-megapixel camera. To add insult to injury, the Air 3 is limited to 4K resolution, a downgrade from the Air 2S's 5.4 capability. While the Air 3's telephoto lens offers a tempting zoom, its fixed aperture necessitates ND filters in bright conditions, limiting its versatility. So, it's clear that the Air 3, despite its innovations, falls short of expectations. But fear not, drone enthusiasts, as the Air 3S is on the horizon. Looking at DJI's historical release patterns, there's usually a year-long gap between major drone releases. Given the Air 3's July 2023 launch, it's reasonable to anticipate the Air 3S around the same time this year. However, rumors of a revamped Mavic also circulate, suggesting a potential double launch. To truly capture the market, the Air 3S must deliver a substantial camera upgrade. A 1-inch sensor is expected, promising higher resolution and improved detail. Additionally, a bump to a 48-megapixel camera would significantly enhance image quality. Another critical omission from the Air 3 is vertical video support, a feature increasingly essential for social media content creation. Cropping footage for vertical platforms compromises image quality. The Air 3S must introduce a vertical shooting mode, either through camera rotation or digital cropping without quality loss. To streamline the user experience, DJI should equip the Air 3S with compatibility with the DJI RC Pro controller. The current Air 3's reliance on the DJI RC2 is a limitation, especially for those who own other DJI drones compatible with the RC Pro. In conclusion, the Air 3 failed to meet the high standards set by its predecessors. The Air 3SE has a significant opportunity to rectify these shortcomings and regain the trust of drone enthusiasts. With a larger sensor, improved camera capabilities, vertical video support, and RC Pro compatibility, the Air 3S could become a true game changer. So, should you invest in the Air 3 now or wait for the Air 3S? We recommend exercising patience and enjoying the anticipated upgrades. What are your thoughts on the DJI Air 3 and the upcoming Air 3S? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates.